Waduogo Kikuyu kama obila e alwora ma Kikuyu osechako nonro matho ma jotije ariyo Silas Ketaer kod Peter Kinyanjui Njeri matiyo od ohala moro mar Fairmart Supermarket manowito ngimagi bang' teko mar stima. Chwadogi kama ne gitiye achiel kuom kambigi mantiere Zambezi e kar chung'od bura ma Kikuyu, kaunti ma Kiambu. Anyuola kod owete ma jogo mosenindo dwaro ng'eyo gino manotimore kuom jatend Fairmart, gino mapok onyago lemo. Gidwaro ni tim nonro makende mar ng'eyo gino manyalo bedo kelo tho margi. Obila wacho ni gisechako timo nonro ringregi okan e kar kano ringre ma PCA Kikuyu.
They were having an electric kettle that was boiling some water. The water happened to spill. Unfortunately, they came into contact with the plate of that electric kettle. So after spilling on the ground, the whole floor got electrified. In the due course, the staff, or there were two staffs who were inside there, when one of them responded by going to switch off the kettle, he got electrocuted, and unfortunately by extension, the water spilled until they covered the floor.
Na tunaweza penda haki ya mtoto wetu ionekane, ndio tujue kama alikuwa juu ya kikiki ya stima, ama alikuwa wapi, ama alikuwa yeye ndio alikuwa anatengeneza hiyo stima, ndio haki na ukweli tujue.
Ajali hiyo ilipata kitu kama saa 8 na miili zao zilitolewa saa 2 ya usiku. So hiyo muda wote ambao supermarket ilichukua mpaka wakati huo ndio miili zilitolewa, ni nini kilichojiri? So tunataka CCTV footages na investigation ifanywe vizuri na polisi tuweze kupata haki kwa wapendo wetu.
Jotelo madongo mawuok e pacho ka kod piny malibamba ma Ethiopia oromo ka kuma Turkana ma milambo.